Before we dive into faces, I want to give you a quick update on some things we've been hearing in the community this week. First, we're continuing to actively work on the mapping of classic faces to our new dynamic classic heads. Visual parity is the key. We appreciate your feedback and we'll continue to listen. Second, now, if you're not age verified and you go and experience, you're going to see chat activity